Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while installing a game you got an error Unarc.dll returned an error code 11. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the basic step, you need to launch the downloader, and whatever the game you are trying to install, you need to right click on your downloader and choose the option Force Recheck. Once check is completed, try to reinstall the game to fix out the issue. Now if this basic step failed to fix out, you need to open up settings menu, and then from the left pane click on the option system. Now here click on the option power and battery. Now you will find the option of power mode. From the drop down list, it is highly recommended to choose the balance option. Then you need to open up your control panel. In control panel, press the P key to find power options and open it. Now next to balance, click on change power settings and then click on change default power settings. Now here scroll down and you will find processor power management. Expand it and then expand maximum processor state. Here change the values to 99. After doing so, hit apply and then OK button. Now close it. Now you need to relaunch the installer. Suppose at my end in the games folder, this is my installer. I'll go ahead and launch it. Now once the installer is launched, first of all click on the option limit installer and then right click on the taskbar, choose the option task manager. Click on details tab. Now in details tab, in the search box type in setup and you will find two processes. Right click on each of the process and choose the option set affinity. From here uncheck all the options and you need to set a maximum of 8 CPUs depending upon the CPU quantity you have. After doing so, hit the OK button. Do the same with setup.tmp also. Right click, set affinity, uncheck all, then select a maximum of 8 CPU. If your PC is old, it is recommended to select maximum of 4 CPU. After doing so, hit the OK button. Now close it. Now you need to proceed by clicking on the next button and install the game, and this will completely fix out the issue of Unarc.dll returned an error code 11. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.